Hello everyone. So in this video, we will be looking into chapter number 5, that is library classes. Before continuing in this video, please to check out all the chapters that I have covered for your board exams. So library classes. So what is a library class? So the library class is present in java.lang package, which consists of all the important classes that we require in order to compile and run a Java program. For example, if we take system class, object class, etc., there are many classes present in the java.lang package. Class that we have to look out for is wrapper classes. So what are wrapper classes? So wrapper classes are the classes which are present in java.lang package, which provides the concept of objects on the primitive data types that we have in our language. So with the help of primitive data types, we can store the value of primitive data like integer, character, true or false, and decimal values also. But that doesn't allow us to make use of objects. We know that Java is an object oriented programming language, but to make it a full object oriented programming language, we have to use objects in each and every instructions that we write in the program. So in order to make Java program a fully object oriented program, we have to make use of these wrapper classes. With the help of these wrapper classes, we can make our program as 100% object oriented program. So here it is given that primitive data types are the defined data types that are present in language itself, and they are not objects. So we are not making use of objects when we use primitive data types. So as I said, if we have to make our program as 100% object oriented, then we have to make use of objects only, and that can be achieved with the help of wrapper classes. So this was about wrapper classes. The main differentiation between the primitive data types and the wrapper classes is the primitive data types start with lowercase, whereas the wrapper classes start with uppercase later. So this is the only differentiation that we have to follow while making use of wrapper classes. So this was a brief introduction what is wrapper class and why do we have to make use of wrapper classes. Now I will show you the table which demonstrates the primitive data type and its respective wrapper classes. So as I earlier said that primitive data type starts with lowercase, whereas wrapper class starts with uppercase. So byte we have capital B, short we have capital S. Here we use int, but in wrapper class we have to make use of full word, that is integer. Here we have long, here we have capital L, float, double, boolean and character. Same here we have char, but here we have character whole word. So these are the only two data types that make use of full word. Rest others are same, just the first letter is capital. So this was about the wrapper classes where we can replace the primitive data types and we can use their respective types. Next we will see is autoboxing and unboxing. So autoboxing is the automatic process where we can convert the primitive data type to its respective wrapper class object. If we take example of int, then int would be automatically converted to integer. If we have to take float, then float would be automatically converted to float, which is in wrapper class. Unboxing is simply the reverse of this process. So if I have integer as a wrapper class and if it is getting converted automatically into primitive data type, then this type of process is called unboxing. The example of these two processes, that is autoboxing and unboxing, I will be covering it in the second part of my video. So please do subscribe to my channel to watch the full chapter of this. So if you have any query related to these topics, then you can ask your queries in comment section. And if you have any other questions related to program that you are not able to solve, then you can send your questions on my mail ID. So that's it for this video. The remaining topics of this chapter I will be covering in next part. So see you in the next one.